Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, I want us to talk about, to remind us about some of the propaganda of the Tinubu administration that most of you may have forgotten. One was that they claimed that the Saudi Arabian government, they are coming to boost the Naira. That was after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was in Saudi Arabia for the Saudi African Summit. And there was an audience between Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Saudi officials. One of the takeaways from that meeting was that the Saudi Arabians are coming to Nigeria to bring in the dollars. Mark my word, bring in dollars to boost the Nigerian foreign exchange market, to strengthen the Naira, so that the tumbling Naira will get strengthened. You know, we forget so much, so fast in this country. In that visit to Saudi Arabia, the Minister of Information issued a statement itemizing how we are going to benefit from this arrangement. Several months after, Nigerians are yet to see the dollars that the Saudi will bring into Nigeria. They said the Saudi will strengthen the Naira with dollars that they are going to pump into Nigeria. And I did a video shortly after. I said, this kind of thing they said is not new. These are propaganda, just to boost their image, so that people will think that they are going to Saudi Arabia to achieve anything tangible. They presented that story. And gullible Nigerians are no longer asking questions. Why is it that several months after, the Naira is still in a sorry state? Naira is still in a state where even the Central Bank of Nigeria is saying that at the exchange rate of almost 1,400 Naira to the dollar in the black market, the governor of Central Bank of Nigeria is saying that Naira is still weak, that Naira is still overvalued, sorry. So which means Naira need to be devalued again. So where are the dollars that we are told that the Saudis are going to bring into the system? Did the Saudis even admitted that they are going to give us dollars? I had my suspicion when that story broke. I went and checked the official media in Saudi Arabia. There was nothing like that. And now, months after, you see the state of the Naira, you ask yourself, has the Saudis brought the Naira, brought the dollars they are expected to pump into the Nigerian foreign exchange system? Or it was a creation of the imagination of government officials under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? So why is the Naira the way it is, despite the assurances from the Saudis? Again, at that time, we were also told that the Saudis are going to invest in Nigerian refinery. They're going to revamp Nigeria's refinery. And I say, how can Saudi, who is a major competitor with Nigeria as an oil producing nation, help Nigeria to revitalize its oil sector? So why is nobody talking about it now? These are some of the propaganda of this government and of the APC. They have been adept in propaganda, and they have been getting away with it. because Nigerians have shown that they are very gullible. Another example I can also cite is when the same Tinubu, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, traveled to United Arab Emirates. You know, there's a visa ban against Nigerians in Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates. And even their airline has cut ties with Nigeria because of their money we are holding by our central bank, the dollars. And don't forget, Nigeria is holding over $800 million of foreign airlines money. Only a paltry sum was paid to them back recently. Now, after the president's visit to United Arab Emirates, the government issued a statement that visa ban has been lifted, that the aircraft ban, Saudi, even the Emirates Air will start operating. That has not happened up to today. So that is why those who are believing that this APC administration can be a solution to the problems of Nigeria based on what they are saying with their mouth, based on what they are saying in their statements, they are in for a long ride, because these people have no truth in their mouth. So you have to cross-check every assurances they are giving, because they can always come up with excuses. Look at the $35,000 wage allowance. It's been overshadowed now by propaganda. And now workers are being told to exercise patience. But they were the ones that were making noises all over the place that they are up to date in that payment. Now you are hearing the information that there are shortfalls here and there. All these shortfalls, did it affect the obstacles of those working in the presidency? Or the shortfalls in government revenue or expected revenue? Only good to be implemented, to be used as an excuse when it concerns the long-suffering workers of Nigeria. That is, just think about it. This country and those who live in it should be aware that there is so much propaganda going on by this administration. Until you see what they told you that they will do on ground, do not believe the assurances. Just think about these few ones I have just given you, and there are many more. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.